Hi guys, and welcome to Beaver Lake near Erinsville and Tamworth, Ontario, Canada. This is the weekend of March the 3rd and 4th, 2018. It's been a pretty brisk and windy weekend, so I apologize for some of the jerky drone shots you'll see coming up. It has been warm, however, for the last few weeks, ever since the ice fishing derby of February the 10th. Here we are, looking at Neville Point, North Beaver Lake at the bottom of the screen, South Beaver Lake at the top. You can see it is quite open between the two lakes and the little channel there. Compared to last year, though, it's I'd say a little bit behind. You can see the inset there shows last year, close to this time, a little later. But you can see it's definitely opening up. And here's a little closer down view, maybe about, 15 meters off the ground. I lowered down a little bit. You can see that there's holes opening up in the ice. I'm not sure what causes these strange patterns like that, but it's definitely thin down near the channel between the lakes. Very interesting the way the ice melts in strange scallopy sorts of shapes like that. Here we are on North Beaver Lake on Sunday the 4th. Very smooth ice. It's been pretty much polished by the wind over the last few days. Looks like beautiful skating surface, although I would not recommend it. Very thin, especially near the shore. You can see in some of the shots, you can see very open water right there, for example. This is South Beaver Lake near the Lakeview Tavern and the boat launch. You can see lots and lots of tracks that were made earlier in the season by trucks and ATVs and snowmobiles. Very interesting how they reappear as even when the snow melts and the ice starts to melt. Here we are turning around towards County Road 41. Hope you enjoyed this quick look at Beaver Lake today. And if you like my videos, please go to my YouTube channel, DonDronesOn.com, and subscribe to them so you don't miss a single episode. Thank you again for watching.